This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Fully apply the handbrake. Place chocks each side of the front wheel diagonally opposite to the wheel being removed. Using the special anti-theft wheel nut adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel nuts half a turn. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the door sill flange, then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the sill flange. Fully unscrew the nuts and remove the wheel. The rear wheel arch liner is secured by various clips and screws. Remove the fasteners and remove the liner. Using a jack, raise the trailing arm slightly. Unscrew and remove the shock absorber lower mounting bolt. Remove the upper mounting bolts and withdraw the shock absorber from the wheel arch. Manoeuvre the shock absorber into position, then refit the upper mounting bolts. Tighten the bolts to the specified torque. Align the lower end of the shock absorber with the trailing arm, then insert the lower mounting bolt. Only lightly tighten the bolt at this stage. Lower the trailing arm and remove the jack. Manoeuvre the liner into place in the wheel arch and secure it with the various fasteners. Locate the wheel over the hub studs, then refit the nuts and lightly tighten them. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel nuts to the specified torque. Don't forget to remove the chocks. With the weight of the vehicle back on its wheels, tighten the lower bolt to the specified torque.